Simply start by pasting your product link, and you can craft dozens of social media videos in no time with AI.
Let's see how you can generate it. Just head over to the Creatify website. Link is in the description box. Click on the Create button. Continue with Google and set up your account. After setting up your account, the Creatify dashboard will open. Now go to the AI Videos Ads section and click on it. Now the URL page is showing. We need to paste our product URL here. Let's go to Amazon and copy any random product link. Then paste it here. After pasting the URL, click on Analyze URL. Creatify will analyze your product link and grab all the details, like product name, description, images, and videos. Now from the Assets section, select which product images or videos you want to include, and then click on Next. Now the Video Settings section is open. Step 1. Select the platform you're making the video for. We'll use Universal. Step 2. Choose your video ratio, like 9:16 for Instagram or 16:9 for YouTube. Step 3. Select the video duration. Step 4. Choose the language you want in your video. Step 5. Define your audience. For example, women searching for handbags. Finally, click on the Next button to continue. Now the AI is generating your scripts. It has created 5 scripts so far. You can generate more if you want, or you can even upload your own script here. Once you've selected the script you want to use, click on Next. Now the AI avatar section is open. Here you need to select an AI avatar for your video. There are many different types of avatars available. Just choose the one that best fits your style or preference. Now I've selected this avatar. This avatar comes with 5 different styles. You need to choose the style you like. I'm selecting these 2 styles and then clicking on Next. Now 16 videos have been generated, each with different styles. You can choose which videos you want to render, and you can even render multiple videos at once. I've selected this one, and now I'm rendering it. After rendering, this is your video output.
This bag fits your entire life, but still looks chic enough for client meetings. The Lavi Batula tote has 5 organized pockets, so my phone, charger, wallet, and sanitizer all have their spot. Made from durable faux leather, it's lightweight at just 800.
Now you can download it and use it on your social media accounts.